Hey there, Fire TV enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the TeaTV APK on your Fire TV or Fire Stick, step by step. TeaTV is a fantastic app for streaming movies and TV shows all in one place. So grab your remote and let's get started. Step 1. Enable apps from unknown sources. First, we need to make sure your Fire TV allows apps from unknown sources. Here's how you do it. From the Fire TV home screen, go to Settings in the top menu. Scroll over to My Fire TV and click it. Now, select Developer Options. Turn on apps from unknown sources. When prompted, confirm by clicking Turn On. Great! Now your Fire TV is ready to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Step 2. Install the Downloader app. Next, we'll install the Downloader app. It's essential for downloading the TeaTV APK. On the Fire TV home screen, select the magnifying glass icon to open the search bar. Type in Downloader and select it from the suggestions. Choose the orange Downloader app from the results and click Download or get to install it. Step 3. Download the TeaTV APK. Once the Downloader app is installed, open it. You'll see a screen asking for permissions. Just click Allow and then hit OK to proceed. Now, enter the following URL into the Downloader app. Insert current TeaTV APK URL. Then press Go. The Downloader app will start downloading the TeaTV APK file. This should only take a few moments. Step 4. Install TeaTV. When the download is complete, you'll see an installation prompt. Click Install to proceed. Once the installation finishes, select Open to launch TeaTV. You can also access TeaTV later from the Apps menu on your Fire TV home screen. Conclusion. And there you have it. That's how you install TeaTV APK on your Fire TV. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more Fire TV tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.